been quite a difficult few days here in Switzerland. Well, more than 24 hours since the accident actually happened. And the whole country is actually in a 5-day mourning. And of course, right now, families are frantically trying to find their relatives and loved ones who are still missing. Many people are still missing and haven't been identified, because it probably will take days, if not weeks, to identify all the victims because of the bad burns.
What do we know about the starting of this fire?
We don't know the exact cause of the fire yet. The police say that they are still investigating, but there have been several witness accounts floating around in videos as well. One in particular of a champagne bottle with a pyrotechnic candle on top of that. And in some videos, the ceiling is seen catching fire from these candles. But exactly this hasn't been confirmed by the police yet. And also, we've been hearing reports that the staircase was quite narrow, so people were trapped inside. But there's quite a few theories, but the police and the authorities are not commenting. And they say that for the moment, that's speculation, and they will give us an official result when they have it.